Back in 2015, search traffic operated like a well-oiled machine. You fed a few specific keywords into the search bar, and the algorithm reliably spit out a list of blue links to match. Building an audience was treated like a sprint. Marketers relied on quick-fix tactics, stuffing articles with awkward search phrases to quickly trick their way to the top of the results page. But human behavior changed. People stopped typing robotic, disjointed queries. Instead, they began asking conversational questions, seeking direct comparisons and rich context. Search platforms adapted right alongside them. Generative tools like SearchGPT emerged, shifting the entire model from a directory of links to direct answer engines. This illustrates the resulting threat, the zero-click search. The user asks a question, and the engine generates a complete, polished answer that terminates right on the search results page. They get exactly what they need without ever clicking through to the source website. AI effectively intercepts the organic traffic pipeline. It reads your site, synthesizes your hard-earned insights, and gives them away for free to anyone who asks. When the digital gatekeepers hand out the answers directly, traditional traffic-chasing tactics break down. Businesses have to entirely rethink how they capture attention. Surviving this environment requires abandoning the sprint mentality. You have to commit to a marathon, treating your website like a vast architectural blueprint stretching out toward the horizon. The internal structure of that blueprint is your on-page SEO. It relies heavily on rapid technical speed and highly deliberate content organization. Because search is conversational, your internal architecture must morph to match. Embedding why, how, and what phrases into headers ensures your information matches AI reading patterns. The engine recognizes the exact query, and your shapes align perfectly. Modern on-page SEO involves restructuring your knowledge base into a format AI engines can easily navigate and extract. Yet, a perfect internal structure is useless in a vacuum. You still need external validation to prove that your architecture is worth indexing. This is off-page SEO. It relies on backlinks, links from other websites pointing back to yours, which serve as the primary currency of your digital reputation. AI calculates authority by tracing backlink networks. If you secure a link from an irrelevant site, like a gardening blog, the connection flashes red and fails. In contrast, a link from a smaller, exact niche website secures a green connection, successfully passing trust. Digital trust relies on the specific, verifiable relevance of your network within a single industry. Even with flawless internal structure and a highly trusted network, you face one final hurdle. You still have to extract the user from the AI's search results page, piercing that final barrier to pull them onto your actual website. This is where marketers make a fatal error. If you answer a user's question completely in your opening sentence, the AI scrapes that exact answer, displays it, and the user scrolls past without ever clicking your link. The solution is the information gap. You deliberately withhold the complete answer to create a void that compels human curiosity. You engineer this gap by giving a partial answer, then immediately hinting at deeper, more complex insights, data points or case studies that the AI simply cannot summarize in a single neat paragraph. This requires ditching generic calls to action. A faded "learn more" button won't cut it anymore. You have to replace it with a bold, highly specific hook, like "see how this tool boosted conversions by 300%. Adopting this slow, deliberate methodology requires extreme patience. It will frustrate competitors who are still hunting for overnight hacks, and as a result, they will burn out and quit the race early. The rise of AI effectively destroyed the search engine sprint, but the brands that commit to the marathon, building genuine structural relevance and curiosity-driven content, will ultimately dominate the new digital landscape.